Hey YouTube, JW. Got another edition of New Arrivals for you guys. Got a pretty cool assortment here today, I think. I'm going to start off with a couple, 2 or 3 Parker knives. As you know, I'm a big fan of Parker, made in Japan. And I really like them because they have a lot of knives like this, you know, with the scorpion and a lot of different types with the cool looking little boxes, and mostly all traditional knives. Like this scorpion here is a good example. Nice little single blade, nice bone handle. Genuine smooth bone stag. Nice little knife. Next up we got another Parker. This one is the Eagle brand. Black plastic handles with medallion inlay. I thought this one was cool because it was all black. Kind of neat. Never seen another one like it. 3 blade. This is like a small Stockman. You've got the main blade, pen blade, and then the sheep's foot. New old stock on this one. This one was never used for anything. This one here, I think, had been, you know, a handle a little bit. I got another Parker here, which confuses some people because it's a Parker Benchmade. Kind of the original OG one-handed open here with that thumb stud. But it's a top lock, what they call a top lock there. I don't want to tell you, it is solid and it is sharp. Very sharp. I don't know if you can see that edge on there. I had ran it over my strop a little bit. You can see there it says Parker Benchmade. It doesn't have anything to do with Benchmade, and I don't think it was actually Benchmade. It's just a higher end Parker knife, and the quality and the fit and finish on this is pretty good. It's not perfect, but the Benchmade Parker knife, it didn't come with the box, and I got it at a really good price. It looks cool with that top lock on there. I like that. They generally bring more money. I got another cool knife here. The handle scales I kind of took off because they are funky and were peeling off, so I'm just going to kind of stick them on there. And what this is it's a Saro Japan copy of a berry wood swing folder. Pretty cool. Surgical steel. SGT was a brand of a higher end brand. Sargent SGT, the surgical steel, made in Japan. Got a pretty good price on it. Kind of a project knife. Needs work, but I'm just gonna epoxy these handles back on. No problem. Whoops. Next up, we got another project. Vintage Valor Miami. What makes this one more desirable is the camel pattern, which is kind of a rare bird this day and age. You know, I've got I think a black one like this, and I know I have a chrome one with the same profile. No, it's not a Valor. It's just says Rosspray on it, but you can see here how the blade looks kind of funky, and I did clean it up some, but this blade should be black. So I'm going to try to redo these handles in the same camo pattern, because I pretty much have the original pattern there. I'm going to repaint this blade black and kind of restore this knife because I really like it. I've been looking for one for a while, you know, and then I see them on eBay every once in a while, and they pop up, and then the listings get pulled and they're gone. This one I happened to get. I paid a little bit more than what I wanted to for it, but you know, because it's in pretty rough shape. But I just really wanted it, so you gotta take it when you can get it, you know. And finally, you guessed it, got another Nato military to add to the collection, and this one is really nice, and I got it at a really nice price. It's pretty much new old stock condition, never been used, been in storage. Nice. Older style with the pin bolsters. So there you have it. It's my new arrivals, beginning of September 2015. So just thought I'd show you guys. I appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, liking my vids. Follow me on G+ and Instagram. And stay tuned. I'll catch you on the next one.